Chapter 7, Part C, briefs. Condominiums versus cooperatives. Condominium, fee simple title given to each owner. Fee simple means no qualification required to inherit the property. Strata Property Act, right of the strata lot owners. Cooperatives. Section 7.31. A limited liability company is formed. So, a limited liability company. Company sells shares to public, which entitle the purchaser to a long-term lease of a particular unit. So, I had shares, sell shares, and long-term lease. The shareholder of a corporation signs a shareholder agreement. So, I had signs a shareholder agreement. No individual fee simple ownership. Only company is the fee simple owner, but no individual. The owner of a cooperative possesses an undivided joint ownership, highlight undivided joint ownership, interest in land or building by means of a share ownership in a non-profit of its corporation. Basically, you are a shareholder, like an undivided joint ownership. So, highlight undivided joint ownership and share ownership. This corporation is termed is the title holder. Basically, in turn, you are the title holder. So, the corporation owns the title. The cooperative board of directors will be required to approve the prospective buyer. So, highlight board approval. And the proposed sale will be subject to the board's approval. So, basically, board will approve who can buy. Next, strata lot owner responsibilities. Pay share of any judgment registered against the common property. Highlight pay share of any judgment. Pay share of common expenses as determined by strata council. Obey all bylaws, rules, regulations. So highlight obey. What happens if an owner fails to pay his common expenses? If an owner fails to pay common expenses, the Strata Property Act permits the strata corporation to register a lien. So highlight lien, which goes on the title of the strata lot owner for money owing to the corporation. If you don't pay, so then they register a lien. This could be for strata fees, highlight special levy, special charges, reimbursement for work done to owner's lot by the strata corporation, which is the owner's responsibility. Strata lot's share of judgment against the strata corporation, reasonable legal cost and disbursement for filing the lien. So these are the costs. Then we talk about contingency reserve fund. Section 12 of Strata Property Act requires the developer to establish a CRF when the first lot is conveyed to a purchaser. So 5 to highlight 5 to 25% of the estimated operating budget of the entire budget. Basically, if the budget is $200,000, so you can have up to 5 to 25, means up to $50,000. If conveyance occur within 1 year from deposit of strata plan, then the developer's minimum contribution is 5%. Filed within 1 year. If it happens within 1 year, then minimum is contributed 5%. If conveyance occur after 1 year, so basically more than 1 year, and after 1 year, from deposit of the strata plan, the Act requires the developer to pay up to 25%. So then up to 25% is paid. If less than 1 year, 5. More than 1 year, up to 25. Special levies. The Strata Property Act permits Strata Corporation to raise money by special levies against the owners. Strata Corporation might need a special levy to pay for major repair, hired for major repairs. If there is not enough money in the CRF, or if the owner otherwise prefer not to deplete the CRF on this expenditure, the money is raised by a 75% or unanimous resolution. Highlight 75 or unanimous. 75% resolution is necessary if the Strata Corporation intends to collect the special levy according to the schedule of unit entitlement, like strata fee. So basically 75% vote is needed. Age restriction. 7.2. Can the strata property restrict someone because of age? Section 121 highlight of the Strata Property Act specifically permit age restrictions. even where they may restrict an owner's right to freely sell his lot. They can also restrict his right to sell. An age restriction is enforceable against the owner of strata lot or the buyer of strata lot, but never against a tenant. So highlight not against a tenant. Except where age 55 is the youngest age permitted in this section. So highlight 55 is the youngest age. Section 10 of the Human Rights Code specifically prohibits discrimination. Highlight prohibit discrimination. Section 10 against the tenant because of the tenant's age or family status. But there is one exception. If every rental unit is to be for people 55 or older, highlight every unit and 55 or older, for example, then we are not discriminating. Pet restriction. Strata Council can amend their bylaws to control pets and disallow pets, for example. But if the owner, tenant or occupant at the same time bylaw is passed have a pet and the Strata Council bylaw is amended is to not allow pets, you will be grandfathered. Highlight grandfather. Section 123 of the Strata Property Act, and allowed to keep your pet but not allowed to replace it upon its demise. Once the pet dies, you can't replace it, but you can keep it. Can a strata lot owner rent his premises out or she be restricted? Strata Corporation can restrict, highlight restrict the number of units in a project that can be rented out. They cannot do this retroactively. They can't go back. If an owner is prevented from renting his unit because of restriction and he feels that he suffered hardship, he can appeal to Strata Council. Highlight can appeal. Who cannot unreasonably refuse the appeal. And council basically can't refuse unreasonably. If the developer intends to restrict the number of units can be rented out, the developer must file a rental disclosure, file a rental disclosure statement with the superintendent of the real estate before the first strata lot is offered for a sale. Developer must also give a copy of the filed rental disclosure statement to each prospective buyer before he purchases the strata lot. Can the Strata Corporation restrict rental? Strata Property Act Section 141 highlight permits the Strata Corporation to pass a bylaw, special resolution vote, that either prohibits the rental strata lot or prohibit, highlight and limit this number of strata lot may be rented or the period of time for which they may be rented. Strata Corporation cannot screen or approve tenants. Can't screen or approve. Owners who rent to tenants are vicariously liable. Vicariously means indirectly for the fines or costs incurred by their tenants, but the tenant is liable to reimburse the landlord for the amount paid. Conversion from rental to strata title. Approval is required from approving local government who consider many factors. Priority of rental accommodation, highlight priority of rental accommodation over privately owned housing in area. Relocation of people occupying the building and life expectancy, highlight life expectancy of the building. Major increases in the maintenance cost due to condition of building, highlight condition of the building. So basically condition, age and priority of rental. These are the three things needed in order to convert to strata property. Yes. This is mostly common in exam. Age and condition, right? And rental.